Alright, so let's talk about the difference between recording and performance, live performance, no? So yesterday we did a video on the importance of performing, na dapat pine-perform natin yung mga inaaral natin, yung mga skills natin, so that we could improve and actually become better musicians, no? Kasi hindi enough na nagpo-practice ka lang sa loob ng bahay or sa loob ng kwarto mo, 'di ba? You have to be able to convey a message or share your skills and talents, 'di ba? Ayan. Ngayon, ano nga ba yung pinagkaiba ng recordings? Whether that's professional recording, that's, like something like this, 'di ba? Yung mga pinopost natin sa TikTok, and live performance. Ano ba yung difference niya, especially as a performer, kung ikaw yung tumutugtog, okay? So, parehas naman silang performance, yes. But, magkaiba sila ng kinakailangan or what is expected from the performer, no? Sa isang recording session, what's needed from you is your precision, your focus, and your attention. Okay? So, kailangan dito talagang 100% yung focus mo na hindi ka mawala. Let's say for example, you're recording for string parts ng isang bigger work, no? For example, a full band or an orchestra, ganyan. So, kailangan yung precision mo ng pagsabay mo sa click track, yung pagsabay mo, yung quality ng tunog mo, kailangan kuhang-kuha mo yung hinihingi sa'yo, no? So, mas careful siya. But, it's going to be more forgiving kasi pag nagkamali ka, cut and retake lang, diba? So, it's more low risk or low stakes kasi once na nagkamali ka, you could always ask for another session, i-repeat mo lang ulit, diba? So, hindi ko sinasabing dapat nagkakamali ka, pero pwede kang magkamali and it won't affect the final product kasi pwede mong ulit-ulitin. Now, your only variable here would be time. Kung ilang oras lang yung binigay sa inyo for the recording session. Yun lang, 'di ba? So, kailangan lang dito focus, kailangan alam mo yung ginagawa mo, kailangan maayos mo siya na perform. You don't need to engage with the audience, you don't need to look out for things outside of playing, no? Kasi you're in a controlled environment. Soundproof yung studios, 'di ba? Or kahit sa bahay, alam mo na walang sasagabal sa'yo, or kung may kumatok man dyan, pwede mong i-end tapos ulitin mo lang ulit yung recording, diba? So, medyo low stakes siya in a sense, no? Now, when it comes to live performance kasi, hindi mo na pwede bawiin yun eh. So, I like to compare it na parang sa recording, kailangan focus ka, diba? Pero, sa live performance, baliktad naman. Kailangan nasa flow state ka or in the zone ka. So, yung focus mo is more outward than inward. So, parang gano'n, no? Magkaiba sila ng needs. Although, kailangan pa rin naman maging precise ka, kailangan hindi ka pa rin mawala sa tono, 'di ba? Kasama 'yon. But it's going to be a one and done thing. Pag natapos na yung performance mo, tapos na rin. Kung nagkamali ka, wala na, hindi mo na 'yon pwedeng ibalik. Pag nagkaroon ka ng konting issues or technical difficulties, hindi mo maibabalik agad yon, no? Hindi pwedeng let's start over from the beginning kasi nakita na nila, mawawala na yung magic, no? So, magkaiba man sila, kailangan, I think as a musician, you should be well-rounded enough to be 100% focused kung kailangan mo talaga for recording purposes, and to be 100% in the zone or being able to connect with people around you pag live performances, 'di ba? Kasi yun ang importante, na kaya mong mag-adjust kung ano yung kailangan sa'yo, what's needed from you. Now, walang masama mag-recording again kung yun lang talaga yung platform mo. Wala kang kasama sa bahay, kunwari, wala kang friends na makikinig sa'yo, that's totally fine. Pero iba pa rin talaga yung feeling. Kahit yung kaba, magkaiba yung kaba ng recording sa kaba ng live performance eh. Kahit na sabihin mong mas low stakes yung isa, mas high stakes yung isa, pero those are two different feelings na sana lahat ng musicians ma-experience, no? Kasi yung recording madali lang yan ma-experience pero yung live performance, I hope everyone gets a chance to perform live, whether that's in front of a small audience, mga kakilala mo lang, or in front of random strangers, 'di ba? Magbasking ka, try mo 'yon, no? Or o kaya mag-present ka, kunwari may birthday ng kamag-anak mo, present ka, happy birthday, ganun. But the important thing is you are able to connect, no? Of course, sa recording sessions, you're still connecting with the musicians around you. Kung may kasabay ka, kung solo man yan, with the people who are with you. Pero iba pa rin talaga yung focus na kailangan doon, no? It's more internal rather than performing live. It's more external. Now, yung mga live recordings, yan talaga, 'di ba? Those are the hardest things to do kasi yung performances nyo are being recorded. So, wala ring bawian yan, no? So, kuwari, concert, hindi ka pwede magkamali. Kung magkamali ka, wala. Isipin mo, di ba? Televised yan. Kuwari, televised event, tas nire-record din yung performance nyo. So, whatever you do, ando na yon. Wala nang balikan yan. Yun siguro yung isa sa mga pinakamahirap na gawin, which is a live performance or a live recording of a performance. Kasi kung anumang technical difficulties na lumabas dyan, of course maayos pa nila yung post-processing, pero mahirap gawa ng paraan, especially kung yung raw performance lang, no? Of course, minsan kasi pag televised, nagagawa ng camera cuts, nagagawa nila ng kung ano-anong magic yan, TV magic. But if you're really recording a concert, for example, hindi nila pwedeng basta na lang lagyan lang ng logo kung may errors kayo nagawa or something, diba? So, yeah, it's those things na kailangan mo ma-experience para maintindihan mo yung sinasabi ko na makakatulong talaga siya sa'yo. But sometimes it could be humbling, no? Hindi naman lahat laging magiging successful tayo sa mga ganito. But don't worry, no? Kasama yan. Part of being a musician is trying new things, experiencing these things, and then pagbalik mo, that's where you improve, no? Kapag meron kang nagawa na bagong bagay, 'di ba? Wala namang perfect kaya nasa simula pa lang okay na. Pero yun yung pinagkaiba nila, no? And it's not taking one from the other, it's just two different things, no? Kaya if you can record yourself, that's good, and also try to perform outside, no? Para at least you become a more well-rounded musician. So sana nakatulong to. If you did, comment down below. If you have other questions, let's try to answer that. And I'll see you on the next one. Good luck sa inyo.